What's going on, guys? You are watching Ninja Lifestyle. So, I was in Texas a few weeks ago filming for the Majer Halloween video, and I did a trick that I've never done before. Back tail to front nose, like this. Kind of like the tornado stall. But the footage got lost and no one ever saw it. So, I'm going to relearn the trick today in front of you guys, and we're going to show every try, every failure, and hopefully pull it off. Oh, I feel like I'm warmed up. We're off to a good start. This hoodie's coming off. Right there. Oh man, it's getting dangerous. Alright. Alright, people, that was not my fault. The ramp fell apart right there. But we landed the trick. It only took, I don't know what, 20 tries? Now it's time to celebrate. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Try the back tail to front nose. Let me know if you guys think it's hard or fun or whatever. And we gotta think of a name. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to name this trick. I'm out of breath. Kuna Matata, bitches.